Oh, what's up, YouTube? Today is a big day. We're gonna be doing a onion smashed burger, and I want to get out of my garage because it's freaking hot today. Let me show you some stuff. Been working on a dual battery setup. I got a light bar and some whips. More on that later. Let's get to that burger. Oh my God. So let's get out of the garage and into the kitchen or the backyard. Pretty nice backdrop. So don't be fooled. That's not ground beef. It's a mix of, darn it. It's a mixture of sirloin and chuck. So we got our local grocery store to grind this up for us. Thanks, guys. Whether it's burgers or meatloaf, you need some kind of binder. Stovetop stuffing. I don't know if it's gonna be good. I have a feeling it is. I guess we'll find out. We're gonna use a combination of blending power and Emily power to smash these up. Emily, what do you need to make fries?
Potatoes!
Like in 6 moves or something?
Oh yeah. I just realized I need better lighting in my kitchen. So, here we go. Meat. Bam. Breadcrumbs. I'll add more as I go. Eggs. I'm gonna try to only get one in there for now. Oh, damn it, that was perfect. Worcestershire sauce. Very important.
Oh!
Onion powder. Oh, shit! Pretty sure we got enough onion. Here's some garlic. Yeah. All right. And pepper, fancy pepper. That is not enough. This is easier. There's nothing in it.
Okay.
Fold.
Look at all that garlic powder. It tastes so good.
So garlicky. That's how I wanted it. Did it on purpose.
What do you think, Budgie?
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be.
Here's a thumbs up for it.
Okay.
Do you
Nothing like the feel
it?
of meat between your toes. I mean fingers. We got the meat portioned out. We got onions cut and some salt, pepper, and garlic in here. Here we are at the blacktop. We're gonna season it with a little bit of oils and put our onions on there. Let them caramelize and cook up. So we're making onion smash, right? We're gonna let these cook and get the patty meat, smash it on top. It's one of these fancy doodads. Look at that burger smasher. Alright, once you got your onions cooking, you go ahead and put the meat on top. And smash. Alright, while your burger's cooking, you can take this opportunity to start cutting your potatoes. Okay, for those of you that aren't ninjas, you could also use a potato peeler or cutter, fry maker, whatever you want to call it. You can cook your fries in the air fryer or in a traditional fire. And a little more seasoning, because why not? I didn't put enough garlic. Get your hands off my brioche bun. Anyways, we're gonna toast these bad boys because we're fancy like that. Alright, I'm trying to hold several things at once. Alright. Nah, it's not too hot yet. Get that bad boy. Woo-wee! Look at that sucker. A little more, bucket. It's cheese time. Not one, but two. So nice, I did it twice. Okay, so this part's totally up to you, whatever you like on your burger.
Chipotle mayonnaise.
Chipotle mayonnaise. And some ketchup. Because what burger doesn't have ketchup, right? It's time to plate this sucker. Oh my god. Boyga. Bam! Lettuce and tomato. Now that's a burger. Oh my god.
Look at that.
There's two kinds of people in this world. The dippers and the sloppy guys. I'm a little of both. Look at that freaking juicy burger. Bon appetit. Fucking delicious. Burnt my mouth a little bit, but it's okay. Worth it. Oh my god. Fuck. What have we done? So this is the one just for the video. This is dinner tonight, so we'll take care of that later. But damn, that's good.
Potatoes!